Greetings to all the professors. My name is Jaya Mishra and today I am on the behalf of my group to present the final year project that is sensor-based home security system for smart home doors under the guidance of Mr. Rajkumar sir.
Moving on to the next slide, first of all, I would like to explain the table of content, which include vision, mission, introduction, literature survey, problem statement, the solution which is proposed by us, modules used, technology, methodology, and the working video as well. Research paper and its publication details and references. Moving on to the next slide, what we have firstly is the vision and mission of our college. The next slide explains the vision and missions of our CSE department. First of all, I would like to introduce that what my project is all about, what our project is all about. The basic aim of our project is to build a more reliable, smarter and safer security system than CCTV. Basically, we all know that for home security, we are much dependent on CCTV only, and there is no another system is available today in the market, or even if they are, then people are not reliable or dependent upon them. So here we are with a new idea. The objective of our idea is to develop a home security system which is going to have hold on universally accessible, economically affordable. CCTV is something which is not economically affordable for everyone, easily installed, easy to use as well. So first of all, the literature survey which we have done is shown in these slides. That is, there were many more research paper or researchers who have already searched for these things have been explained in these literature survey slides. Now moving on to the next slide, the problem statement which was in front of us was that CCTV camera systems were basically installed to protect our home, but they were not that much reliable because there were many cases were seen when these burglars basically used to spit on the cameras or vandalize them or break them. So it was a very big challenge for us, or even I can say it is a very big challenge for us to monitor our home 24/7, and hence we are here with the solution for this. This is the proposed solution which we have gain in front of you is that we need a robust security system which notify us if someone breaks our shop, homes or any other place where it has been installed. For example, let a condition that when a thief enters a jewelry shop, now the system which we have proposed in front of you is going to directly call and send a message to the person or owner whose number is provided in the application, and they will get notified about it. So what we can do is anything which is necessary according to them. The modules which we have used for this is Arduino UNO for programming, PIR motion sensor to detect the motion, the Bluetooth 805 or GSM module to send message and call, the wires, and of course the battery. Now the software module which we have used is Arduino IDE in Arduino software, in where the programming section has been done. The technology which we have used in the hardware software requirement for Arduino IDE, Android Studio, programming languages were involved for the application programming was Java and C++. The methodology is in front of you, which is explaining that firstly the motion is senses, and after sensing the motion, the home security system gets notified about it. Now when the home security system gets a notification about it, it will send a security alert message in the form of call and message to the mobile application, and here we are with an option to activate camera if the camera is installed by the user. This is totally going to be a choice according to your user's point of view. To explain the working of our project, that is to explain the working to the consumer, here we are. Firstly it will detect the motion by PIR sensor, the amount of frequency. Now the problem which we were having in front of this was that maybe the motion was done due to any dog or any cat or any other hindrance which is not a person's motion. So now what we have done here is that the amount of motion which is detected is going to Arduino is firstly going to check it that whether it is an amount of motion which can only be created by a human being or any other thing. And in the programming section we have set a code for this. Now firstly, after assessing the motion, it will firstly analyze the motion, and if it is higher than the frequency of any of the particular frequency that is set by us, then it will send notification to the mobile app and a message as well in the form of call and message. And there will be always an option available of activating camera if it is installed by the user. So basically it is totally depends on the choice of the user. Now I am going to present you the working model of my project. Now I am showing you firstly the Arduino UNO that is used for the programming section that is done. In this project, we have replaced Bluetooth HC05 with the GSM module. Now GSM module is having a SIM inside it, in which the phone number is directly set. Now I'm going to show you the PIR sensor. In this structure, we have set the PIR sensor at the back. So here is the PIR sensor, and an LED is also attached here only, so that whenever the motion will be detected, it will glow. This is the proposed architecture. This is the proposed system which we are using for our project. That is sensor-based home security system. So whenever it will sense the human motion, it will send a notification to Arduino. Now Arduino is programmed in Arduino IDE. For that, I have used USB cable, which is attached, and for accessing Arduino IDE, in which the code is present, I'm using USB cable. USB cable is attaching both, that is laptop and Arduino UNO. Now I'm going to show you the working of this model. That is, I'm going to firstly put my hand in front of the PIR sensor, and so as soon as it will detect the motion, it will send a notification to Arduino UNO. Arduino will check its frequency, and when it will measure that the frequency level is more then the amount, we should see there is the hand I have received. And after that, now after having the motion detected by PIR sensor, it has sent a notification to Arduino UNO. Arduino UNO is going to detect it firstly, and soon we'll receive a phone call on the phone. I think, yes, there's a phone call received. As I have saved this with IoT Project Kit, so we are getting this number as IoT Project Kit in my mobile phone. And it will appear as normal call. If you are going to take this call, now we'll receive a message as well. And here's the message appeared. I'm going to open the message, and it is just going to show, even if you pick up the call, it's not you are not going to hear any kind of voice. It's just a kind of notification. Now I'm opening the message, and the message is as you can see here, the message is displayed is that hi, this is alert message from home PIR sensor, person entered in your home now. This is the working model. Now this is the working model, and if it is fitted by anybody, like any owner. Thank you. Oh my god, thank you. Now, as I have shown the working video explanation, now we are back to our PPT. That is, now in this slide I am showing you the research paper publication details. I am very glad to inform that our research paper has already been published in international conference, which was in ABSEC on 6 March in UGC indexing. This is the certificate which we have received from the conference for presenting our research paper in the form of PowerPoint presentation in front of everyone in the conference. These are the references which we have used while doing this whole project. Thank you.